Hi student, this video is about linear differential equation. The standard form of linear differential equation is dy over dx plus px times y equal to qx, where px and qx are function of x or a constant. So to solve linear differential equation, we have 5 steps. The first step, we need to rewrite the equation in standard form. That is dy over dx plus px times y equal to qx. Okay, number 2, find the integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to e power of integrate px times dx. Mean we integrate respect to x. And then number 3, multiply both sides by integrating factor. Okay, multiply both sides mean based on our standard form, we multiply with integrating factor. And then number 4, write the equation in product rule. So d over dx times e power of integrate px dx, that is integrating factor. Okay, time y equal to integrating factor times qx. And lastly, number 5, we need to integrate both sides with respect to x. So now let's move to first example. We have dy over dx plus 1 over x times y equal to e power of x over 2x. So we can define here px equal to 1 over x, and then qx equal to e power of 2x over 2x. Sorry, e power of x over 2x. So next, I want to find the integrating factor. So integrating factor equal to e power of integrate px times dx. So equal to e power of integrate px equal to 1 over x respect to x. So we get equal to e power of ln x plus c. Okay, based on this term, we can separate the term. We get e power of ln x times e power of c, where e power of c equal to constant a. And then this term e power of ln x, we can simplify, we get x. So we get a times x. So e power of ln x equal to x, e power of ln y equal to y, e power of ln 1 over x equal to 1 over x. Okay, next step. Since we already get the integrating factor, we need to time both sides with integrating factor. So we get a integrating factor a times x times with dy over dx plus 1 over x times y equal to ax times e power of x over 2x. Okay, next we can cancel out a. And then, okay, left hand side you want to write in product rule. So just write d over dx. Okay, product rule means your integrating factor times y. So what is our integrating factor is x. X times y equal to, okay, right hand side. Okay, we can simplify right hand side. You can cancel out x, so we get e power of x over 2. Okay, next step, apply integration on both sides. So integrate d over dx xy times dx equal to integrate e power of x over 2 dx. You need to write respect to. And then Since we have notation of integration and differentiation, we can cancel out. So we get xy equal to e power of x over 2 plus c, or y equal to e power of x over 2x plus c over x. So this is the final answer. Okay, next we move to second example. We have dy over dx minus y over x equal to x squared times e power of 2x. So from here, we already rewrite the function in standard form. So px equal to -1 over x and qx equal to x squared times e power of 2x. Okay, next integrating factor. Equal to e power of integrate px times dx equal to e power of integrate px -1 over x dx. So we get equal to e power of negative ln x plus c, or equal to e ln power x power -1 times e power of c. So e power of c equal to a, and then the first term e power of ln x power of -1 equal to x power -1, or equal to 1 over x times a, or we can write a over x. Okay, next we multiply both sides with integrating factor. Get a over x times dy over dx minus y over x equal to a over x times x squared e power of 2x. So now we can cancel out a. On left hand side, you want to write in product rule. Just put d over dx, and then integrating factor, we have 1 over x. Here is 1 over x times y equal to, and then right hand side we can simplify, we get x e power of 2x. So next, apply integration on both sides. Integrate d over dx y over x respect to x equal to integrate x e power of 2x respect to x. So on left hand side, we can cancel out. We get y over x equal to, and now we want to integrate on right hand side. Okay, firstly, we can integrate this function using u substitution, because if we let u equal to 2x, we still can cancel out this x. Since this is the product of two different functions, we can apply integration by part. So to choose u and dv, actually based on letter L-I-A-T-E. So x refer to algebraic, and we have exponential function e power of 2x. Since algebraic come first, we let u equal to x, and then du equal to dx. Okay, next dv equal to e power of 2x dx. So integrate dv equal to integrate e power of 2x dx. We get v equal to e power of 2x over 2. So the formula integration by parts equal to uv minus integrate v du. So u equal to x, and then v time e power of 2x over 2 minus integrate v equal to e power of 2x over 2 time du equal to dx. So we get x e power of 2x over 2 and then minus integrate e power of 2x, we get e power of 2x, okay, over 2 times 2 plus c equal to x e power of 2x over 2 minus e power of 2x over 4 plus c, and then we want to write left hand side, or you want to write in term of x and y as a subject. So y equal to x square e power of 2x over 2 minus x e power of 2x over 4 plus x times c. Okay, thank you.